Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis, price predictions, news updates on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. So in this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and picking up where we left off in the previous Bitcoin video. Now, we do have Bitcoin currently still above $17,000 right now. We're looking at Bitcoin here on the 4-hour chart. The thing here is we do have a lot of consolidation. You can see that there's still a lot of sideways trading. Turn this on over to the daily chart real quick, just so we can look over at our moving averages and look how things are currently lining up with Bitcoin. You can see that at the moment, we're still working on trying to really maintain a price still above this 20-day moving average, which we're above it right now, but we're not moving too much more than that. The 50-day moving average is right up there at a price that's around $17,800. So we still have some more price movements that need to happen to start overtaking these different moving averages. Now, as far as things go and trying to figure out where we're currently at right now, the big thing is when we look at this FTX fallout that had happened, we're within a possible new set of waves here. There's a possibility here that we have completed the 5 waves down that we need to be able to call the whole FTX fallout complete. But not only that, I mean, if we were to also count up our different subwaves from the way that things have come down here, if we were to say that we just completed a 5th wave, the downside from these much larger impulses, if we were to look at the way that Bitcoin had come down within this falling wedge pattern from its all-time high on into now, you can see that Bitcoin's also come down within 5 waves. So there's a possibility that we have completed this with this whole FTX fallout. So you can see that there's been a wave, a set of waves here within the wave 5 here, and this could be that completion that we really need. So there's a possibility that now this trend away from this wedge that we have going on here, that this is that new set of waves that are in the works here that could have that upside potential to be sending Bitcoin up and it just hopefully start to do some retracement from where we were within this falling wedge pattern. Just create some distance here. That would be a really nice ideal situation, but we're going to have to see how things do play out, because some people are still, of course, bearish, which is completely fine to be still bearish because, well, we're not really out of the woods yet. And there's a possibility that we could still be seeing one more leg down for Bitcoin and still go to a new 52-week low. But then there's also, you can cross your fingers there and hope that the bottom is in, and that's it. And we're going to be seeing some upside potential. But of course, I mean, everything right now is just up in the air. Now, since I'm thinking that Bitcoin could still be coming down for one more leg down and reach a new 52-week low, that doesn't bother me though, because of course, it just creates another opportunity to buy Bitcoin at a lower price, dollar cost average. But I still think that we could still be seeing Bitcoin do a retracement here very soon from the whole FTX fallout. I think that these lower prices with Bitcoin is going to, of course, create these opportunities within the moving averages, which they've come down so much that Bitcoin having these price movements to the upside and start smashing through these different moving averages, that can really start to create some momentum, especially when we look at the 100-day moving average and how long Bitcoin has actually been underneath that 100-day moving average. It's been since April of this year since it's been underneath that, and it hasn't managed to go above that 100-day moving average. Of course, that's the turquoise line here. And now that the 100-day moving average has come down so much, if we were to even go back to where we're at just before the whole FTX fallout, well, that was when Bitcoin was attempting to break through that 100-day moving average, and it didn't succeed. And now that it's come down so much, the price of Bitcoin only needs to go to around $19,000 to see such a thing happen, which really, the price of Bitcoin right now is not that far away from that. And if we were able to surpass that, I think that we will start to see some gains with Bitcoin and hopefully be able to do that retracement. So I think that that's still something that could happen here within these next couple of weeks. And if it was to do that, there could be some much larger price movements with Bitcoin. So something to look forward to with Bitcoin, something bullish to look forward to with Bitcoin. And that would also help it create this distance here from this trend line, from this whole falling wedge that has been in since November of 2021. So we keep creating that distance there, and the price of Bitcoin keep moving a different direction from that, then that could really create some opportunities there with Bitcoin to be looking forward to, especially as we get into 2023. So some good things to look forward to with Bitcoin. So we'll have to cross our fingers with that. But anyways, I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions about Bitcoin. Do you think that we're going to be seeing this retracement here from where we were at within the whole FTX fallout? Do you think we're going to be seeing that within this next couple weeks? I think it's a possibility, especially since that 100-day moving average is so low right now that Bitcoin could be seen an opportunity here. And not a lot of people are talking about that. And I think that that's something that could happen. So we'll cross our fingers with that. Very key that Bitcoin does maintain this price of $17,000 and stay above this 20-day moving average, which is around the price that it's at right now. So anyways, that's it for now. That's the news for Bitcoin. I keep you guys updated every single day with what goes on with Bitcoin and Ethereum and many other altcoins as well. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. Thank you guys for watching and listening. I'll see you in the next one.